dito yung uncertainties for me. Kasi for the past years, we have been navigating or siguro trying to establish K-pop or SB19 and trying to syempre, show the world who we are. But right now, we feel like it's given na. Hindi na siya yung parang we try to put it in their mouth back. At ang magsisimula yung is for this to become normal to everyone, and we're gonna go bigger. And maybe in the next years, 3 to 5 years, everything will change, and K-pop will soon be one of the siguro main export market.
Sa akin kasi, matagal na po namin tinatry build and establish talaga yung identity namin. Kasi before parang, hindi ko naman pero inaano kami na copycats kami, ito ganyan, So, yun po yung tinatry namin na establish and slowly establish namin siya yung K-pop, and now we're trying to, personally yun yung sa tingin ko na parang i-close namin na chapter and i-open namin yung bagong identity and to introduce yung totoong SB19.
Siguro po, for me, one thing that we will end for this era is yung mga questions ng marami about us, about our opinions, kasi for this era, we'll be more vocal po, and we will be more confident sa mga gusto namin sabihin, and we'll make sure na yung influence namin to people is nasa tamang direction, or yung gusto talaga namin. So for this time, yun nga po, we'll be more vocal than before, and mas direct na po yung mga gusto namin gawin at sabihin.
Pero hindi po siguro malalim, siguro sobrang simple lang. Ang mahalaga, merong nagwakasan na yung panibagong simula. Mas ganun po ako nakapokus. Kumbaga, tapos na yung dating proyekto, gagawa tayo ng panibago. Kasi yun yung kailangan natin gawin para mas achieve pa natin kung ano gusto natin imagine in the future. Mas malaki, papupuntahan pa po ni SB19. So, yun lang po, kaliwa ka ng diretso. After na isa, panibago gawa natin.
Yung answer ko po medyo connected sa sinabi ni Bago. Kasi actually yung naisip ko lang po talaga is yung mga naging problems namin before na kinakatakutan ulit namin mapagdaanan. Kasi with all the things na ginagawa namin ngayon as SB19 and 1Z, yung mga nakaka-collaborate na artists, mga big companies, I think we learned from them as well. And nagugulat sila na with our small team and bagong company siya, 1Z Entertainment, nagagawa namin yung mga bigger projects, mga exciting things with SB19. So parang I think yun yung kailangan namin i-end. Yung matakot ulit kami sa mga possible na magawa namin mali. Kasi part talaga siya ng journey namin. Not only as an artist, but also as CEO or 1Z na kami. So parang yun yung kailangan namin i-end. Magkamali man or hindi, it's okay, it's our decision. Dapat kampante kami sa gagawin namin. And I think kung ano man yung sisimulan, I think as 1Z pa rin, magsisimula kami mag-open ng doors para sa mga aspiring artists, more opportunities for them. Kasi lingid naman sa kalaman ng lahat na we are training and launching a new girl group. So I think, yes, malakpak ko na. Dahil pumalakpak ko si Ate Leila. Nagsali na po siya sa upcoming girl group ni Juan. So I think yun yung sisimulan namin is mag-open ng new opportunities. And mas marami pang pagkakataon sa mga aspiring artists na natatakot silang sumubok dahil tingin nila nakakatakot sumubok sa ganitong klase. Pero with 1Z, I think yun yung gusto namin pag-uwi na maging kami yung standard kung paano talaga mag-train and kung paano i-handle yung artist na tama. So I think yun po ang sisimulan namin. Yeah. Sana magampanan namin as 1Z. At gagawin po talaga namin. Thank you so much for that one.